tumeweka cut line, tumepanda chai, watu waishi upande hii, pande ile ingine iwe msitu, kwa sababu lazima tulinde mazingira ya taifa letu la Kenya.
Nikurumira ritana ria munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto muthenya wa kiumia kuri aria makite mutito-ini wa Mau kwehera undu uria ucungiririe mubunge wa Narok ya Rugongo Moitalelo Lekenta gukindira ritana riu.
There is only the boundary that was actually identified by the Ndongo report, by the task force that was actually set up by Raila when he was a prime minister, which was actually called the Ndutu boundary. And all those settlements, the people who were evicted were inside the forest. And it never, at any one time, it has never been changed.
Kenta uria ugite rivoti cia ndungu na iria yari uria wari prime minister Raila Odinga cia thugunditwo thutha wa uthuthuria munene niguo kugitira mutitu wa Mau. Ugite gutire rivoti yendekithitie gukorwo na migunda ya macani mutitu-ini ucio arigiri-ini ria kugitira.
Any tea or any foreign plant in the Masai Mau, or in the, because you are also destroying the environment. On what basis are you doing it? And who is actually the beneficiary?
Niathiite na mbere kuga riboti ici cingia guthingatithio gutire hindi kihonia gia kugitira mutitu uyu gikoneka.
Ni a community, it is trust land, which is actually just held in trust by the county council. It does not have the powers to even give it out, to allocate to anybody. It can only manage it for the benefit of the people of the area.
Nerathire na mbere na kuga itua ria gukorwo na migunda ya macani thiini wa mutitu uyu urongoreirio gucenjia mihaka yaguo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.